Hello, today we'll be talking about division. So today's problem is 9 divided by 3. So let's imagine we had 3 friends. So we'll draw 3 friends. 1 friend, 2 friends, and 3 friends. So our divisor, 3, represents our 3 friends. And our dividend is 9, which means how many times can we give, let's say, a piece of candy to our 3 friends? So let's make our pieces of candy blue. So let's go until we have 9. So let's give 1 piece of candy to this friend, 1 piece of candy to the second friend, and 1 piece of candy to the third friend. So 1, 2, 3 pieces of candy. Now that's not 9 yet, so let's see if we can keep going. So a 4th piece of candy, a 5th piece of candy, a 6th piece of candy, a 7th piece of candy is given out, an 8th piece, and finally we're at 9. So let's see how many pieces of candy each friend has. So 1, 2, 3. And the second friend has 1, 2, 3. And the third friend has 1, 2, 3. So when we divide 9 pieces of candy amongst our 3 friends, each friend should have 3 pieces of candy, which means our product is 3 when we're dividing 9 by 3. Thank you for coming to my video today.